To a stand-up comedian, if he makes me laugh, if he gives me a good experience, I'm willing to part with my money, right? Or I go to a cricket match, I spend money on the IPL. Why? It gives me so much of thrill. When somebody inspires me with his thought, his words, his action, I'll part with my money. So the only way you can make money is when you add some value to somebody's life. If you can reduce my working time, if you can delegate some work to you, I'm willing to part with my money to you. So you either make things easier for somebody, or you speed up somebody's work, or you're of some service to somebody. That is when money comes in your hands. And if you want to increase your income, the only way you can increase is add more and more value to others' lives. Make yourself so capable. Increase your skills so much that people are willing to pay for it. Or increase the number of people you add value to. You make a brilliant idea, You invent windows, the whole world is benefited and you become the richest man in the world. That's how it works. Think of something which benefits a lot of people and you make a lot of money. One of my favorite quotes was on a placard in Director K. Balachander's office. He was my mentor. And he had a placard saying, "Today is the first day of the rest of your life." I think that's a fabulous thing. Whatever you decide today. Okay, till yesterday, okay man, I goofed up. I was a mess. But from today, I decide, now you see what I can become. That I think is a great thing to say. We were coming here on this road, there's a board there. No U-turn. Life doesn't have that board at all. You can take a U-turn anytime you want. It's just on you to decide that now you see a new me, a fresh me, I'll show who I am. Of course it's going to be tough. Obstacles are going to be there. See, why do you enjoy a cricket match, Durgesh? Why do you enjoy a football match, or why do you enjoy this game so much? Because somebody is trying to hit a sixer, but the other man's idea is only to make him out. Every cricket ball starts with the idea of making the batsman out. He is a clever guy. He'll hit a sixer, he'll hit a four. He's got the skill. That's how everything is. Everybody is trying to stop you. What's football about? You want to reach the goal. If there is no opponent at all, you just go and put the ball. What's the fun? The whole idea of the opposite team is to block you. So I think life itself is designed that way. You want something so badly, and the whole world said, we will not allow you to get this. And you just roll up your sleeve and say, you think so? You underestimated me, boy. I'll show you who I am. That is what it's about.